Out of all the Seki Edge grooming kits, this one is king. The Craftsman Luxury 9-piece grooming kit G3104 is a beautifully crafted kit for the man who wants the most out of grooming and contains 9 important grooming tools. It's our most upscale kit and features all stainless steel implements. The first is a stainless steel nostril scissor with blunt ends to prevent poking. The second tool is our Seki Edge extra grip slant tweezers with a wide textured handle and crinkle cut tips for precise gripping. For nail care, our stainless steel cuticle pusher has a scooped edge to push cuticles back with ease. The rounded edge helps to prevent poking of the skin and prevent injury. Once cuticles are pushed back, a cuticle remover helps to cut off the excess cuticle growth. The triangular tip shape was designed to cut cuticles off with ease. This next tool is used to remove grime from under the nails. Next is a stainless steel nail file with multi-directional etching to easily file nails in any direction. On the right side of the kit is a cuticle nipper. After using the cuticle pusher, you can use a cuticle nipper to remove the excess cuticle growth. This cuticle nipper has double spring action for smooth cutting motion. With a comfortable ergonomic handle and sharp tips, this nipper will leave your nail bed looking clean, healthy, and neat. Next is a stainless steel nail nipper. To use, move the lever up to enable the spring action and then squeeze the handles. These durable, powerful blades cut thick nails easily. With sharp, curved edges, you can easily get under the nail and cut thick nails that otherwise cannot be cut with an ordinary nail clipper. This is especially useful for toenails. And lastly, a classic stainless steel nail clipper. With a sleek design and sharp cutting edges, this nail clipper will do the job with ease. All 9 high-quality tools are housed in a genuine leather case for ultimate luxury and protection.